Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. Today I am show Emo's new update. What's new on Emo? Firstly, you update your Emo and then you see the explore option. Make sure your Emo is general version. Then here tap on explore and you can see the who is online and you can message there, that means web. You can web there, click on who's online. Here the many people are online. Now if you want to message or web there, tap on and here the web option, touch web. Yes, then if he want to contact with you, he wave back. Thank you so much.